In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know when your Canva Pro or Canva Team subscription will expire. This information can be vital for managing your subscriptions and ensuring there are no unexpected interruptions to your creative work. So let's dive into this quick and straightforward process to check the expiration date of your Canva subscription. First, you'll want to head over to the Canva homepage and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right hand corner of your screen. Here you'll find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this icon will direct you to the settings page where various account management options are available. Navigating to this area is essential for accessing your billing details, among other account features you might want to explore. After clicking the settings icon, you will be taken to the main settings page. From here, the next step is to locate and click on the Billing and Teams tab. This section is specifically designed to manage your subscriptions and billing information. It's always a good idea to regularly check this area if you're managing multiple subscriptions or need to update payment details. Clicking on Billing and Teams will take you to a page dedicated to all things financial related to your Canva account. Now that you're in the Billing and Teams section, you're very close to discovering the expiration date of your Canva Pro or Canva Team subscription. Within this section, you should see a summary of your current subscription details. This area displays information such as your current plan, the next billing cycle, and notably the expiration date of your subscription. This is what you're looking for. It's clearly listed so you can easily plan for future payments or decide if you'd like to renew, upgrade, or maybe even cancel your subscription. By knowing when your subscription expires, you can manage your financial commitments more efficiently. It's crucial not just for budgeting, but also to ensure that there's no disruption in using your preferred design tools. If you rely on Canva Pro features regularly, knowing this date helps you plan ahead, either setting aside funds for renewal or considering any adjustments to your current plan. To wrap things up, checking the expiration date of your Canva Pro or Canva Team subscription is simple yet highly beneficial in keeping your account and creative process running smoothly. Remember, regularly visiting the billing section of your account can help you stay informed, avoid any surprise charges, and ensure that your design projects continue without a hitch. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back often for more useful tips and tricks to help you manage your digital tools more efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.